Hello everyone, welcome back to Shomu's Biology. This is a very important announcement to boost confidence of many aspirants for CSIR NET this time because UGC NET has been cancelled, and that news came really it's horrible news for any aspirants. If you prepare for an examination for 6 months, a year, or even more than that time frame, and suddenly stop due to some other reasons, reasons which you are not a part of. So there is always a question that whether the CSIR NET will be dropped this time for the June 2024 exam or not. So here I'm with not properly with the answer because honestly I don't know whether it's going to be cancelled or not. But what I can tell you is what you need to do as an aspirant, what you need to do as a coaching institute in order to continue your students going. First thing is that let's understand this process very clearly, and the process is regarding the ambiguity of how the questions are there. There are issues found, and those issues, the probe is there for that issues. So those issues will be discussed, and it will take some time. Obviously it may take a week, 2 week, 3 weeks time frame, even a month time frame to understand everything. Okay, what is the reason of compromise on the question paper? Once somebody get to know about that, then they are going to imply that same effect for any other exam that this same issue can have repeated effects on. So if the issue is limited to NEET only, and the similar mode that they continue to, that is the OMR sheet based mode, that is UGC NET exam, they are going to stop this. But CSIR NET is a CBT mode exam, that is a computerized mode exam, and the chances of manual error and integrations also are limited because it's a CBT mode of exam. So there is a chance that it will not impact CSIR NET Life Science examinations. City intimation slip is already declared. You are going to get admit card just 2-3 days before the exam commencement date. So that is so I believe like 75%, 80% chances are that the exam is going to be conducted. Even the 20%, when there is a serious allegation on NTA on how they are operating, if that's the case, then all the exams under the NTA will be halted. Okay, so in that case, if it's halted like that, obviously there will be a re-exam later on, which will be provided, the date of which will be provided later on. So now there are two options too. One is that the exam is being conducted on the day that they told you to be conducted, and second thing is it's conducted in a separate day. As an aspirant, your target is the date of the exam that you know till now. Okay, so you need to get yourself ready for the day of the exam no matter what. After that, if you don't get the chance in that day, maybe the exam postponed, in that case continue your preparation. Do not leave the preparation in the middle. Please continue. You may need to continue for one more month or 2 more months or 3 more months, in maximum 6 more months, and then maybe the exam will be combined, two exams combined. So in the worst case scenario, I'm talking about in the worst case scenario, but continue your preparation. If you leave your preparation by thinking that ye to kuch nahi ho sakta, like there's so much wrong thing going on outside, then that is ultimate loss of you, because nobody is going to do any loss, not from anybody from the NTA, anyone from the CSIR and all the places. They are not going to, they are going to continue their journey as it is, right? The only people penalized are the aspirants. So that is very important, that as an aspirant should not lose hope. Continue your preparation, the style of your preparation, the revision part at this moment, continue that. Okay, and if it is extended, we'll go with the extended deal. You'll get more time to prepare and revise even the existing stuff. That way it will be much better for you to be prepared for the upcoming exam, and who knows, you're going to get it in the first attempt. Okay, so that's a video to just give you a little enough confidence to get up from the bed and start the preparation. Thank you.